Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a chore chart on Canva. So basically the first step is to go to Canva and click on the search bar and search for chore chart. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on this, and then here you're gonna have different templates. Now as you can see, some of them are free and some of them you need to pay for them, or you need the premium plan of Canva. Simply click on any of these. Now as you can see, I have this template and I have more like this if I want to use this style. Then click on customize this template, and now you can simply start editing. Here as you can see, you can change the colors, you can change the text if you want, you can upload your custom logo and images, and you can add your own text. Now after you finish editing, you're gonna have to simply click on share and then click on download, or you can simply print it. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.